On the bench top here is a deadbolt. This is what you see on the outside of it. You put the key in, you rotate the key, and that turns a tail piece, and the tail piece will move forward the deadbolt there that extends through the door jamb. And so that's all there is to it. And on the other side of the deadbolt there is a thumb lock here. So why this is here on the bench is because it's sticky. It's sticking, it's not really turning easily, the key is stuck in it. The tailpiece does rotate the deadbolt, but with some difficulty. So this isn't exactly rocket science. There are no user serviceable parts inside, so all there is to it, you have to lubricate the mechanism there. It is just a friction fit together mechanism, and you can also lubricate the insides of the cylinder here if you lubricate around the deadbolt. So I'm just gonna lubricate everything and see how much things improve here. So what I'm using is something with a graphite lubricant, whatever in it. This one here, it's just Tri-Flow. So a little bit on this side here, where there's rotation. Yes, and this does come with a straw originally, not anymore. Something happened to it. Oh yeah, so that's already a lot easier. Let's squirt some lubricant in here. This could be done in theory while in place, installed in a door. Yeah, I don't think so. Well, because you need to rotate the piece upside down ideally so the lubricant flows down. So it could be done in a number of ways, and it gets done this way. And a little bit on the underside of this cam. So it's really thoroughly lubricated there. So now it's easy to lock it or whatever, unlock it, open it, unlock it. Okay. And of course the same applies to the cylinder. This can be opened, but I don't want to. I just want to put some lubricant in it. And which one was it? The purple. And just spread it like so, and hope for the best. So basically I'm just gonna reinstall it and test it in place on the door. And this is how it looks like installed with the thumb lock on the inside. I think you'd agree that this is super easy to operate and works flawlessly. I say that's a 10 out of 10. This deadbolt has been sticking or troublesome for a while. You can see the chipped off paint from the door jamb where part of the deadbolt was hitting, not fully retracting, maybe something like that. Whatever happened here, chipped off the paint and also maybe dented the metal here. We'll never know what happened, but this gouging here has been going on for months to get this much paint scraped off.